Hello and welcome to the 39th episode of The Route, our school bus fleet content series. I'm Wes Platt, Executive Editor. In this episode, I'm happy to welcome Jennifer Smith from JIT Truck Parts to talk about what school districts need to think about when it comes to preparing their fleets for the kickoff of the new school year. Click like on this and all our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your comments are always welcome. If you get the chance, please post who you are, where you're from, your city, your state, your school district, and that way I'll give a shout out in a future episode. Okay, let's get rolling. All right, Jennifer, again, welcome to The Route. Tell folks who you are and how you got started with JIT Truck Parts.
Sure. So I actually have almost 15 years of marketing and public relations experience. I dabbled in book publishing and wildlife management for a while, and I needed a change. So I found JIT Truck Parts, and I'm so glad I did. I'm one of the digital content specialists at jittruckparts.com, and my job is to ensure that customers have a pleasant online shopping experience. And I give them quality material that will help them make the best buying decision for their needs.
Excellent. Now, what can you tell us about the company and the services it provides?
JIT Truck Parts is a national aftermarket truck parts distributor located in Highland Park, Illinois. We service light, medium, and heavy-duty fleet vehicles with aftermarket truck parts. We have a website called jittruckparts.com. It's open 24/7, and we have a dedicated customer service staff that is available Monday through Friday to answer any product questions, as well as help customers create online customer accounts.
Now, traditional calendar schools are starting to reopen over the next month or so, and there's a lot for transportation directors in these school districts to plan for in the weeks ahead. Where do you think they should be focusing their efforts when it comes to parts that need replacing before the school buses hit the road again?
Yes. So as you mentioned, parents are rejoicing. Kids are going back to school. And while kids may feel differently, it does start with the bus drivers. They need to inspect their fleet vehicles. There are a few areas that they need to look at. They can't just look at the truck or the bus and say, okay, this is good. What they need to do first is do a walk around the school bus, check for any dents or scratches, check on those reflectors and make sure they're in good operating condition. They're going to want to check on their mirrors, the headlights. Headlights are very important this time of year. The nights are going to hone in on us very quickly, and so we need these good operating lights, especially LED lights that diodes may burn out quicker than expected. So checking on the horn and other parts there are going to be essential for making sure the upkeep of the vehicle is running at peak performance.
How has JIT Truck Parts dealt with the supply chain issues that have been plaguing the entire industry?
Yes. So every industry is going through this, unfortunately. But for us at JIT, we're working with our suppliers to get customers the products that they need. But in the event we can't get a product because it's on back order or just out of stock, customers should look at the cross references that are listed on all the product pages. For those that don't know what a cross-reference is, they're part interchanges. They are similar in fit and function and form to the original item. And so this is something that school bus drivers can look into in the event that they need a part right this moment and they can't get the original part.
It's time to park the bus for now. Tell your friends about The Route. If you've got news, send it to me at wes.platt@bobbit.com. Tweet us at schoolbusfleet. Drive safely and see you next time on The Route.